Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to consider about part number 1, that is about s equal to number 0. So for this one, we put number 0 gone here. So they will go here and here. So we simplify. Now, this one divide by this one, so we have number 3. And this one equals to number 3. Now, let's consider about part number 2. That's about y equal to number 0. So, we put number 0 gone here. Number 0 gone here and here. So we simplify this one. So we simplify the factor and we have 5 over 3. So as you can see that this one and this one, they are not the same. So the part number 1 is not equal to the part number 2. So the limit does not exist. This is the end. Thank you for watching.